Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to understand an important topic in network security called IPsec modes, specifically transport mode and tunnel mode. We will learn what IPsec is, why it is used, how these two modes work, how data is encapsulated in each mode and the difference between them. So let us begin. What is IPsec? IPsec stands for Internet Protocol Security. It is a set of security protocols used to protect communication over IP networks. IPsec provides the three major services: confidentiality, which means keeping data secret; integrity, which means data should not be modified; and authentication, which means verifying the sender. IPsec is widely used in secure communication systems, private networks, and VPN connections. Why IPsec is needed? When data travels through a network, attackers may try to read the data, change the data, impersonate another user, intercept communication. IPsec prevents these threats by encrypting and securing the packets. IPsec modes. IPsec mainly works in two modes, transport mode and tunnel mode. Now let us understand both one by one.
Transport. In transport mode, only the payload, which means the actual message is encrypted, the original IP header remains visible. So the packet structure becomes original IP header plus encrypted data. Router can still read the header and forward the packet normally. Transport mode is mainly used for host-to-host communication, end-to-end secure connections. For example, secure communication between two computers. Example of transport mode. Suppose we have IP header is equal to source and destination address. Data is equal to hello message. After the transport mode, IP header remains the same. Only the data is encrypted. So the packet becomes original head plus encrypted message. This method has less overhead and it is faster. Tunnel mode. Now let us understand tunnel mode. In tunnel mode, the entire original IP packet is encrypted. This includes original IP header, original payload data, then a new IP header is added outside. So the packet becomes new IP header plus encrypted original packet. This gives you stronger protection because sender and receiver details are hidden. Example of tunnel mode. Original header plus message data. After tunnel mode, new header plus encrypted. Original header plus message. This mode is commonly used in VPN connections, gateway to gateway communication, secure branch office networks. Why tunnel mode is more secure? Tunnel mode hides original source address, original destination address, message content, so attackers cannot easily know where the packet came from or where it is going. This is why tunnel mode is preferred in the VPNs.
Hello everyone, my name is Sachin and I'll be demonstrating the simulation of IPsec modes using a Python program. First, let's look into transport mode. In this mode, only the payload, which is the actual message data, is encrypted. The original IP header remains visible. Now, in our program, we start with a message and an IP header. The message is, "Hello, this is secure message." Then we will apply a simple encryption to the message. After encryption, we can see that the IP header is still visible, only the message is encrypted. Now, this packet is directly sent to the receiver, and at the receiver side, the message is decrypted and he gets the original message, "Hello, this is secure message." This shows that in the transport mode, only the data is protected, but not the entire packet. Now let's look into the tunnel mode. In this mode, the entire original packet, including the header and the data, is encrypted. Then a new IP header is added to it. In our program, we use the same message, "Hello, this is secure message," and add it with the destination IP address to form a full packet. Then we will encrypt the full packet. After encryption, the original packets become completely hidden. Then we will add a new IP header for routing. Now this packet is sent to the gateway instead of directly to the receiver. And at the gateway, the packet is decrypted, due to which it gets the destination IP address. Now, then this message is forwarded to the receiver, and at the receiver side, he gets the decrypted message. Now, comparing between both modes, we can see that the transport mode only encrypts the payload, while the tunnel mode encrypts the full destination IP and the message payload, which encrypts the full packet. In the transport mode, the original IP header is visible, while the tunnel modes add a new IP header. The security of the transport mode is less, while the tunnel mode is more. And now in the transport mode, there is less overhead, and in the tunnel mode, there is more overhead as we are adding a new IP address to it. The transport mode is faster compared to the tunnel mode as there is a new IP address added to it. The transport mode is used in the host to host communication, while as tunnel mode, VPN and secure networks are used. Thank you.
So good morning. I will talk about IPSec. So IPSec is the widely used modern network. It is a network which provides secure communication over the internet. We use this to browse internet and other stuff. It helps to protect sensitive information from hackers and unauthorized access. So IPSec mainly have two modes. One is transfer mode and other one is tunnel mode. So talk about transfer mode. It's mainly used in situation where two devices are communicated directly, in a short to distance. So direct communication we use transfer mode. In this mode, only data portion is protected. Since this transfer mode is used in a small and in a known network, so only data part is secure and no need to protect the address part, which makes this communication faster and more efficient. Some real world application of transfer mode are secure server communication, where they exchange confidential data safely, in a secure small communication system. In device to device communication, this device to device communication between two computers within the same network. If there is a same network, so then we use the transfer mode because there is no need to hide the address part. So next we got the tunnel mode. Tunnel mode is commonly used in virtual private networks known as VPN. Because this tunnel mode, entire the packet is protected, including the data as well as the address. So that we don't want other people to know our address. So it will protect even the address. Some application of tunnel mode include office VPN networks, allowing employees to securely access the company network. And we have got company branch connections where multiple office locations communicate safely through the internet without worrying about their address being known to anyone else. And remote employee secure access. Employee who's working from home or faraway places can securely connect to the company network. So advantage of IPsec are IPsec provides several important advantages such as it offers strong security because the address is protected as well as data. It will offer little very strong protection compared to other networks. So to IPsec support the VPN technology, which really enables secure communication over public networks like internet. We can browse the internet using VPN now because it helps us protect IP address and we can easily use that. It helps prevent data theft and cyber attacks. It also ensures the privacy and confidentiality, making the authorized user can access the data. Only authorized user can access those data, not anyone else. So if you talk about some disadvantage of IPsec, IPsec confidentiality can complex and especially in large networks. This is complex in large networks. That's the disadvantage. And encryption and decryption person may reduce network speed and performance. Yeah, since it encrypting and decrypting a whole address as well as the data in it, it will reduce the speed as well as performance. It requires proper key management and difficult to maintain securely. It's a high maintenance, and some firewalls and network devices may compatibility issues with it. In conclusion, I'm going to say IPsec is an important protocol. It provides security in computer network and internet communication. It's mainly used for internet because we don't want other strangers to know our address. And it has two mode, transfer mode and tunnel mode. It protects data portion of the transfer mode protect the data portion of the packet only, and the tunnel mode protects the entire packet as well as data as well as address. These the two things which IPsec provides. And overall, IPsec is a major role in ensuring security, private, and reliable communication in today's digital world. Because we mostly we use internet, IPsec is a really important aspect in modern life.